Sama-sama sa
Siya ata?
Loy na sila. Yan, nagwapo rin yun.
Nara.
David, sabar ko sama mo sa vlog. Sama mo sa vlog.
Live na? Oo. Hindi nakapunta.
Let's start the ball game.
Saba, for sure.
Henan Prime versus Henan Park. We jump in between rider number 12 and number 5. Copy number 5 goes to number 8. Holding the ball. Lead pass to number 23. Back to number 5. Isolation to the basket. With the foul, number 30. First personal foul. First team foul. Blue ball. Long pass to number 11. Bob J. No. Offensive rebound. Number 5 to the basket. Bingo. First basket. Brought to you by Sportmass 2025 Henna Resort.
Andyan?
This is the first half. Number 17, Suba. Takes out the number 9, fires. In and out. Shoot the ball. Out of bounds. The throw it over. Brings down the ladder. The number 5 to the basket. Traveling violation.
Kaso Yaku.
Saan?
Buhay po humingaw sa ano?
Brings down the ladder on the run. Dribbling the ball. In the front court, number 24. Fires. Anil check.
Wala.
Brings down the ladder.
Ito sa natin.
Bounce pass. Number 11 puts it up. No. Out of bounds.
Saan pa?
Blue ball. For inbound. Bounce pass number 23. In the front court, Park J. Bingo. Pilaya. Long 2. Brings down the ladder, number 17, Suba. Cross-court pass to the left side. Rain violation.
4-0.
Duval on the run, number 23, Pilayo. Cross-court pass. Inside pass. Bicycle shot, no. Follow number 5. Merong contact at merong foul number 17. First personal foul number 17. Second team foul. The free throws awarded in the first throw of song. Absent. And the second in the last throw. Present. With ball, cross-court pass. Number 17 signaling the play. Suba. Bounce pass. Number 9. No. Check the ball. Quick pass to number 9. Penetrate. Yes, sir.
20.
Brings down the ladder number 24 against number 23. Whistle sounded. A hacking foul call. Number 23. First personal foul number 23. First team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Number 17 Suba. To number 24. Drop pass to number 30. Penetrate to the basket. Bingo. 7-2. In favor of Park. Cross-court pass to number 23. Backing violation. Ball position of Prime. Cross-court pass. To number 24. Lead pass to number 9. Pace. Put back. Bingo. B-I-N-G-O. Bingo. Paboritong biskuit ng Arambol Koreano. That is bingo. Number 9. Orleans. Drop pass. Reverse. Yes, yes.
Sorry. Hey. Boss.
Suba. Out of bounds.
Ako ka.
14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Bounce pass to number 12 to the left side. Fires. Anemic shot. Regarding by Suba. Bicycle shot. Bingo.
9-6.
Back. Kabilawan na.
9 minutes and 50 seconds.
6 score.
Kabilawan.
Brings down the ladder.
Taga.
Looking for Stingray cross-court pass. Number 11 fires. Short. Whistle sound. Lane violation. This is the first half.
Sabi sa ako doon.
Brings down the ladder, Suba, number 17. Suba in control, dribbling the ball in the front court. For Jay. Check the ball. Number 5 to number 8, bounce pass to Orleans, number 9. Signaling the play, drop pass, back to Orleans, number 9. Sway, inside pass to number 5. Struggle, stolen. Quick pass to Suba. Left-handed, bingo. 9-8. Brings down the ladder. Cross-court pass to the left side. Fires. No. Check the ball. Number 9 on the rack. To the basket. Drives. Out of bounds. 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Number 9 to number 23. Blind pass to Pilaya. Sway. Drop pass. Number 9 to the basket. 10 on the shot clock. Whistle sound. Wicked foul number.
9-8 score. 9-8.
Number 11.
Lamang Park.
First personal foul number 11. Second team foul. Brings down the ladder. Number 17, Suba. Suba in control. Cross-court pass, number 25, Pace. Isolation. Out of bounds. Whistle sound. Merong contact. Foul number 22. First personal foul number 22. Third team foul. The free throws awarded to number 25 in the first round. Absent. The second draw. Present. Brought to you by Sport Pass 2025. Hana Resort. 17 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Traveling variation. Paalala po team sa advanced substitution, advanced timeout, ha? Para proper tayo. Down to 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Number 24. Drop pass. Lane variation.
All 9 score.
Blue ball. Number 23, Pilayo. Cross-court pass. Hold the ball. That is number 9. To the right side, fires. Not good. Check the ball. Recover the ball, number 20, the ball fades. Whistle sound, jump ball. Right ball. Down to 6 minutes and 51 seconds. On the run, going to Miguel Tapabuki. Pass to number 24. Against number 23. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Light pass to number 25. 10 to shoot. Paul J. Short. Rebound ball, number 9. Brings down the ladder. Orleans. Bounce pass to the right side. Kicks out to number 9. Drop pass. Number 28, no. Number 5 for the follow-up. Basket is count. Plus a foul. Committed by number 24. First personal foul, Suba. Saba. Possible for 3 points. Bonus shot number 5. Upset. For the rebound. Lead pass brings down ladder, dribbling ball. Isolation, right? Black ball. Good defense. Out of bounds. Throw him over. Good ball, lead pass. Bounce pass to number 9, back to number 23. That is Pilayo, holding the ball in the front court. Cross court pass to number 20, ball bounce pass. Number 5 to the deep drop. Not good. Put back. Meron foul. Foul. Number 25. First personal foul, number 25. 14 foul. Reverse through now. Second and last round. Standby, balls in play. Pag-basket.
Score 12-9.
Down to 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Brings down the ladder. Lead pass to number 24, holding the ball. Looking for teammate. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Isolation, drives, black ball. And same one. 14 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Rebound. Paul J. Bang. Brings down the ladder. To the basket. Bingo. Baseball pass. Fakes. No. Big pass to number 9. Hold the ball. Cross-court pass to Pilayo, number 23. In the front court, signaling the play, that is Pilayo, number 23. 15 on the shot clock. Lead pass back to Pilayo. Pilayo now, cross-court pass to the right side, fires. So strong. Rebound 1. Check the ball, Stalin. Number 28 for the deep drop, in and out. Rebound 1, number 25. Lead pass to the basket. Drives, no. Number 28, recover the ball. Stalin. Deep drop, number 24. Bingo. Down 4 minutes and 10.
14.
Reverse half. Dribbling the ball in the front court. To Sahise. Number 9. 10 on the shot clock. Orleans in the front court. Kicks out. 5 on the shot clock. In and out. Defensive rebound, number 24. Put back now. Check the ball. Stalin. Whistle sound. Rebound. Number 24. Time out.
Time out.
Helen Park. Second personal foul, number 24. 15 foul. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 3 minutes and 44 seconds in the first half. Official score 14-13. Half shot. Henan Prime. Henan Prime brother. For the inbound number 23. Tingnan natin ang gagawin. Lead pass to number 9. Dribbling the ball in the front court. Low post pass. Blind. Check the ball. Stalin. Recover the ball number 23. Stalin. All alone number 4. Race up. No. Recover the ball number 9. Brings down the ladder against number 25. Long pass. To the basket. Black ball. Good defense. Number 25. Lead pass number 4. Cross-court pass, number 12, wide open. No. Cover the ball, number 9. On the run, going to middle top of the key. To number 5, Team Drop. Next set for 2. Down to 2 minutes and 47. Number 25, dribbling the ball. Line. Fakes, number 12, reverse. Yes, it is. Down to 2 minutes and 33. Lead pass to the right side, number 9, fires. No. Baseball pass. 1-1, number 7 to the basket. Read the foul.
16-15. Score.
Foul number 9, substitution. Kunin mo sila, kunin mo. First personal foul number 9. 14 foul. Reverse draw, present. Pag pumasok present, pag hindi pumasok absent.
Tabla score, 16
Second
all.
last draw.
16 all.
Tignan natin ang bubus draw. Down to 2 minutes and 21. Bingo. Brought to you by Sport Press.
17-16, Lamang Prime.
Henan Resort. Brings down the ladder. Number 4, Arcenas. On the ball. Number 23, Pilayo. Drop pass to the right side. 10 on the shot clock. To the putback, number 5. Bingo for 2. 1 minute and 57. Number 25, check the ball, wing the foul number 4. First personal foul number 4. 15 foul. Green ball. Bounce pass. Check the ball, Stalin. Brings down the ladder to the basket, Arcenas. Weak pass. Takes. Black ball. Struggle. Recover the ball number 8. Lead pass. On run. Brings down the ladder. Air ball to number 5. Kick back. Exit for 2. Easy basket. 1 minute and 10. Rebound. Foul number 8.
22-17. 22-17.
First personal foul number 8. Time out. Henan Prime. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 1 minute and 8 seconds. 1.08. Official score 22-17. Favor of Henry Park. And the first throw, number 24, Bingo.
First free throw, Julie.
The second to last drop. Now the first second drop. Out of bounds. Ball position of blue. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1.01. 65 seconds. Marami kami niya. Likas Papayan. Putis Porcelana. Hugis 1.5. 57 seconds. With the foul. Foul number 24. Third foul number 24. 16 foul. 55 seconds. To the left side. Kick Sam. No basket traveling violation. 50 seconds. Brings up ladder on the right. Looking for teammate number 4. Drop pass from 25. Low post pass from the center lane. Blind to number 1. 35 seconds. This is the first half. 17 on the shot clock. 25 seconds. Starland. To the basket. Noise. Shot clock is up. 17 seconds.
All 22. All 20.
10 seconds. And the first half. Official score 24-22.
24-22.
Favor of Henry Park.
Shoutout daw kay Udon. Bantasan.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
This is the second half. Last and final quarter. Holding the ball number 4. Deep pass fires. Not good. Rebound 1. Quick pass to number 9. Running jumper. No. Check the ball. Number 17. Fires. In the net. Out of bounds. Same ball. 14 on the shot. 14 to shoot. Keep the ball. The same ball.
Same ball.
14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. What do you got? Kick sound. To the left side, swing, drop pass. 10 on the shot clock. Fires. Not good. Offensive rebound. Cross-court pass. Out of bounds. You lose the ball. Turnover. Brings on the ladder, number 4. To the right side, kicks out. Bounce pass to number 4 in the front court. Drop pass to the basket. Runs! Nugget. For the ball number 5. Baseball pass to the basket number 9. Yes, it is. Gandang laban. 26 deadlock. First deadlock. Brings down the ladder. Going to midcourt out of the key hall. Signaling the play. Holding the ball, number 4. Cross-court pass to the left side. Inside pass to time. Meron foul. Foul number 12. First personal foul number 12. First team foul. The top free throws awarded. Number 5. The first draw. Number
26 all.
second and the last draw.
26 all.
Now again, kick the ball. 100 point ball, whistle sound, carrying the ball, double dribble, automatic traveling violation. Twelve minutes and 30 points. Long pass. For the big back, basket is count. Plus a pound. Leaded by number 24. A possible for 3 points. Bulo shot number 30. Fourth personal foul number 24. Second team foul. Bingo. Brought to you by Sport Pass. Henry Zorro. Brings down the ladder. Holding the ball. Long pass, number 12. Read foul.
Foul.
Foul number
Foul trouble si Julie.
2K. Napakagandang numero. First personal foul, 2K. First team foul. 12 minutes and 16 seconds. 29-26. Reverse draw upset. Second to the last draw. Huwag na natin yung bubos draw ang second draw. Bingo.
59-27.
Last and final quarter. Brings down the ladder. Dribbling the ball. Cross-court pass. Bounce pass to number 5. Number 5 again. Stalin. Brings down the ladder. Long pass to number 9. Fake spin to the basket short. Number 17 fires. No. Rebound ball. Out of bounds. For man, number 17, cross-court pass to number 25, Bates, kicks out, Suba fires, in and out, defensive rebound, long pass, late violation. Brings down the ladder. Number 4, Arsinas. Number 30, Byers. No. Check the ball, brings down the ladder. Number 12, to the basket, drives. Nugget. Offensive rebound, kicks out number 27, Stalin. Number 30. Whistle sounded, wicked foul number. '27 substitution. What do you sunod? First, personal foul number 27. Third team foul. Holding the ball. Number 23, Pilaya. Kicks out. Fakes. Nice fake. Coach J. Short. Quick pass. Slicing number 9. Yes, sir.
All 29.
Number 23. Low post pass. Spin. Puts it up. Whistle sound. Traveling relation.
29.
Green ball. Yun natin ang gagawin. Dribbling ball. Top of the key. Number 17. To number 12. Traveling violation. Race on ladder number 23. Slicing kicks out to number 9. Drop pass number 23. Green out. Fire up. Beautiful kill. Green ball number 25. Angry pass. Tiger. Saan na tayo yung titira? Green. Yung blue ilan ba? Dalawa, isa. Last and final quarter. Back to the ball game.
4 fouls na si Julie. 4 fouls.
Official score 31-29. The next game ha, preparar. Number 23 Pilayo, hold the ball, cross court pass to the left side. Fakes. Traveling violation.
Dalawa lang lamang ng part. 31-29.
Green ball. On the run. Top of the key, cross court pass. Long pass to number 17, back to number 27. Fire. No. Quick pass to number 5. Out of bounds. The same ball. 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Long pass. Check the ball. Rain duration. 8 minutes and 41 seconds. Brings on the runner number 23, Pilayo. Slice the middle. Drop pass. Number 9. Bang. Long two. Long pass. Back to number 24. Dribbling the ball in the front court. Inside pass. Out of bounds. Going over. Now to 8 minutes and 14 seconds. Last and final quarter. Brings down the ladder. Pilayo number 23. Isolation. Running jumper. Kick. That is number 23. 35-29. Out of bounds. Lane violation. Down to 7 minutes and 47. Dribbling the ball, Pilayo. Cross court pass. Lobos pass to number 5. Nice play. Down to 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 17, cross court pass. Back to number 17. Kicks out. Number 25. Foul! Referee! Points! Brought to you by Smart Pass, hand on the track. Number 20, listen now to the play, that is Pilayo. Against number 27, slicing, drop pass, running jumper, kick off. That is number 28. Isolation, puts it out, no good. The rebound number 5, bounce pass to number 23. Brings down ladder, quick pass to number 28. Puts it out, miss the first pass to the sound. Plus 9. For number 17.
41-32.
Second personal foul, number 17. 14 foul. Possible for 3 points, Bullshot, number 28. Gandang tira no? Super. Brought to you by Sport Mass Henry Resort. 6 minutes and 39. Cross-court pass. Wiggin foul. Foul number 28. Blocking foul. First personal foul number 28. Second team foul. Bounce pass. Number 27. Double. Reverse. Double again. Number 12. Check the ball. Fires. No. Team drop. Number 25. Big block. Down to 6 minutes and 10. One-run defense. Cross-court pass to number 9. Against number 27. Rattle. Whistle sounded. Traveling violation. Exactly 6 minutes. Over shot clock. Bang! Point!
37-42.
Brought to you by Henderson. Number 9, Orleans. Cross-court pass to number 23. Dribbling the ball. Pilaya. Lead pass. 9 to shoot. Illegal pick. Number 1.
Time out.
First personal foul.
42-37.
30 foul.
42-37.
Remain by 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Back and ball game. Last and final quarter. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Tignan natin kung anong gagawin ng green ball. For rebound, number 25, lead pass to number 17, dribbling the ball in the front court. Back to number 25, Fires. Nugget, defensive rebound, follow up, easy basket. 5 minutes and 10. For teams, meron natin isang timer. Stalin. Point 2, the basket lines. Right side.
Sarang lamang. 42-41. 42-41.
Dribbling the ball, cross-court pass. Number 28, Sahise. Hold the ball. Lead pass number 23. 12 on the shot clock. Drop pass, nice frame. But there. Revolve the ball. On lead pass. Swain. Slides in the middle. Merong contact. At merong foul. Foul number 23. Second personal foul number 23. 14 foul. Green ball for rebound number 24. Mantumandi, lead pass to the left side, Fires, feed it out. Offensive rebound, check the ball. Recovery ball number 5, lead pass. Number 30, Solomon, kapatid ni Pilimon, cross-court pass, number 24, Fires. And lead shot. We get the foul. Foul number 17. Third personal foul number 17. 15 foul. Napakaganda na iyo mo. Solomon, kapatid ni Pilipino. Unang panahon kayo. Number 5. The first round pick. Second to the last round, 4.5 bit of rain. Hindi natin kung bubuslo. Nasa. Four minutes and one. Final quarter, cross-court pass. Drop pass to number 12, isolation, using the glass, not good. Holding ball, number 4. Brings down the ladder against number 24. Ball number 24. Number 24, called out.
All out si Julie. All out.
Down to 3 minutes and 55. 16 to shoot. Number 4 against number 27, double team. Lead pass, 10 on the shot clock. 7 to shoot. Jump ball. Green ball. Out of position. Green ball. 3 minutes and 44.
Tatlo namang, 44,
Brings
41.
the line. Number 17, fires. Short. Out of bounds. Same ball. Substitution. Remaining time 3 minutes and 35. Final quarter. Out of bounds. Green ball again. 3 minutes and 35. Long pass. Number 17, Swain. Kicks out. Fire. Short. Check the ball. Offensive rebound. 10 on the shot clock. Fire. Sustrop. Number 12 for the good back. Now good. Rebound ball number 24. Cross-court pass. Arcinas. Lead pass number 9. Number 9. Isolation. Lead drop. Number. Foul out. Number 9. Number 28. Jump one.
Stuck.
Same one. Fourteen on the shot clock. 14 to shoot.
Foul out si Julie.
Number 5, Stalin. Quick pass. Suba. Check the ball. Brings another against number 12. Isolation to the basket.
Foul out si number 24.
Number 12. To the basket lines. Out of bounds. Blue ball. 2 minutes and 33. Brings down rally. 44-41. Favor of blue. Number 9, Orleans. Dribbling the ball. 14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Lopez pass. 5 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute and 54. Whistle sound. Rebound. Foul number 4. First foul number 4.
6.
7 foul.
7:41.
1 minute and 52. Final quarter. Last and final quarter. Number 9 dribbling ball in contract. Number 1 lead. Orleans dribbling the ball. 15 on the shot clock. On the center lane, rock pass. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 5 short. 1 minute and 27. Bounce pass to the basket line. Makes that. 1 minute and 22. 47-43.
Apat namang, apat.
Brings down ladder. 15 on the shot clock. 1 and 10. 10 to shoot. Number 9. No. Out of bounds.
Apat lamang.
Exactly 60 seconds. Sa isang segunda. 57 seconds. 18 on the shot clock. Good ball in the front court. High pass. Big pass. Really hard.
Pinasa.
Foul number 12. $18, 46 seconds, 46 seconds.
Ha? Hindi, second half.
Mr. Rugby sa kabanyo.
15 minutes kada.
Kaya ito yung break. 46 seconds, 46 seconds.
47,
46
43.
segundo. Final quarter.
47, 43.
47-43, 4-point lead.
Apat lamang.
18 fouls, 18 fouls. 46 seconds. Hindi natin kung anong gagawin. Man-to-man defense. 1 meter, 1 meter. Big pass to number 9. Acting violation. 44 seconds, 44 segundo. No more timeout, hand and point. Meron ka nititira, 1 timeout, hand and point. Lead pass to number 4. 40 seconds, drop pass. Fire, so strong. Become the ball. 32 seconds. On the ball number 4. Wicked foul. Hacking foul call number 17. Warning for penalty, warning. 19 foul, 26 seconds. 26 seconds. 26 segundo. Fourth foul number 17. Long pass. Stalin. To the basket drive. Number 12. Hunter. Pala. Pico. 45-47. Shot clock is up. 15 seconds. Wicked foul.
Dalawa lamang.
Was foul run.
47, 45.
Foul number 9. Penalty na penalty. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Shot clock is up.
14 seconds. 47, 45.
Reverse na Pico. Ako sa segunda.
48, 45. 14 seconds.
$48, 14 seconds, shot clock is up. Another, Chikra. Last call, 10 seconds. Four seconds, 4 segundo, 4 seconds, out of bounds. Out of bounds, Jubal, 4 seconds, 4.01. 4 segundo. 4 seconds. 48, 45. Two seconds, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Number 17, Granway. Fouled out. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. 49.5. Dalawang segundo. Final quarter. 2 seconds. Ayun,
49, 45.
Congratulations to the winners and losers. The next game, warm up.
49, 45. Panalo 4.